All right, good morning. We are now in Excel. As you know, Excel is a program that helps us deal with figures, not words. It's basically about having figures calculated, totals, subtractions, multiplications in an easy way. It can begin with a small figure, then it ends up with large figures. In the first question, I require you to have the totals in these columns I'm clicking. The first cell I want you to have a total in is B12, followed by C12, followed by D12, and then followed by E12. Then I know most of you know this, so if you have issues, that's when you should continue watching this video. If you don't have issues, it's okay, you can just continue as you do. Look at the first totaling I want you to make. It's supposed to be the total of all the total cases, supposed to be written in cell B12, the one I've selected. It's highlighted by the mouse as you see on that video. So you're supposed to sum up this. Please don't use a calculator. You may also be familiar with this information. It's what I gave you last week. Particularly it's for Quentin. So I want you to use a formula in this cell. Do not use a calculator. Every formula begins with an equal sign. So type there an equal sign, followed by all these cells separated by a plus sign or an addition sign. Alternatively, you can use a function. So let's begin with the first one. This is cell B3. So you are supposed to have B3 plus, the following cell is B4 plus B5 plus B6, as you see. Continue until the end. When you finish the cells, look through your formula to see that there is no error. B3 to B10, then press enter. This figure will come in here. It's the total of these. When I'm marking your work, I'm not going to look at this. I'll click here, then I'll look in the formula bar, which is here. So in the formula bar, I'll see that you typed in a formula. If you didn't type in a formula here, I'll see the figure here, which you typed in here. That will mean a 0. So type in a formula here, I'll see the formula, I'll mark you. Begins with an equal sign. Alternatively, we can use a function equal to sum, open bracket, you know sum, yeah. A result of addition is a sum. So in this case, we are not supposed to write all the cells there. You just write the beginning, the starting cell, which is B3. Then you write a full colon. Write a full colon. It means from B3 to, you can guess what I'm going to say, from B3 to B10. You have to close the bracket. This is read as equal to sum B3 to B10. Press enter. The same value will come. So use that knowledge to fill out the formulas for this cell, and this cell. The next video is going to be about the charts. Thank you.